Okay, tell me I'm not the only one who gets a little too excited when there's a package waiting at the mailbox. Like, I've literally been tracking this one for days. So today I'm doing something a little different. We are heading to the mailbox together to pick up my latest package, and then we are heading straight to the park to unbox it in the wild. Yep, park style. And that will be exactly after I have done my 10k daily steps. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe if you love unboxing and lifestyle content. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. It's drizzling. I wanted to complete my 10k steps before settling down at the park to open this package, but as it is, it's currently drizzling. And I don't think I will even be able to complete my 10k steps before going home. So let's see how it goes. It's currently 7:51 p.m. and it's this bright. It starts getting dark around 10 p.m. So I just love summer. It's because it's raining, that's why it's even a bit moody, gloomy today, or what's the word? So, and the park is somehow empty because of the weather. Let me show you my phone. I didn't know that I wasn't recording. As you can see, my face is beginning to rhyme with my body. I've been taking my skincare very seriously for the past few months, and the product I use is Anua. It suits my skin. In the past, I have tried some other viral products and they didn't work for me. So, but as soon as I found the one that worked for me, I became consistent with it, and I am beginning to see the results. So this is what my skin looks like. So if you want to get the Annual product or any other product, there's this app you can use to get your product. You get additional 5% discount if you use my code, which is MONI1549. MONI is in capital letters, MONI 1549. I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen above so you could use it to get additional 5%. I think if you download the app, you get, as a first timer, you get 10% discount. So plus my code, you have a total of 15% discount. So there are some other products there. If you have a product that you are using and it's fine for you, you can go there and see if they have your product there. I can guarantee that app that they sell the original product, because in the past I have bought fake products from Amazon and from Walmart. You can even see it from our website that YesStyle is one of their distributors. So you might want to check there and use my code to get extra discount. I'm at the park now. It's somehow empty because of the weather, like I said. On a normal day, you see a lot of kids playing football and in the play area, but currently it's somehow empty. So I will go around 5 times, then I can now settle down to open my package. Guess what's inside? Guess, take a guess. Okay, now I'll catch you guys later. I got myself a tripod. The famous K29 tripod. Open it up. Ooh. It came with 4 LED lights. What's this for? I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very, very sturdy. For my church friend to give me a call, then we'll start heading out. We'll stop by at Walmart to get coolers for the drinks, then we'll start going there. We are going to Gimli Beach. I think that's the pronunciation, Gimli Beach, and it's about 1 hour away from us. What are you guessing for him?
Can we go play now? Daddy, I'm picking a link. Can you pick that? Can you pick all of them? Wait, let me help. Daddy, 2 by 2 by 2. 2 by 2.
Yeah, you're hopping to the car.
A few moments later.
Hello, come back. Okay. Oh. No, I'm okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, where do you guys want to go next? So fun. You guys want to go do golfing? Yeah!
Go on water, there's water in the car.
No, I want to buy some water.
Okay.
I need water too.
Sorry.
Put it in a hole. You have to put it in one hole.
Don't let the ball. You have to play it how many times? 3 times.
I'm going to do the iron one, the hardest one.
going to fall into the water. Walk fast.
I want chicken nuggets.
They sell chicken nuggets. Thank you.
Take out or in? Take out.
Take out. Wait. So what are you buying? Have they called our number?
Numbers on the screen.
Eh? Okay. So what's our number?
135.
It's currently 10:19 p.m. Some people are doing fireworks because it's Canada Day tomorrow. Everybody say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Daddy. It's 10 o'clock.
Raining.
What do you
It's raining. So we're going back to the car. The ticket is sold out, so we couldn't enter the venue. No. I'll just ignore all this. And go upstairs. So I think I will call it a day right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.